My name is Wolfgang. I'm the Director of Sales for the Northern European region here at BEONx. And it's true, I just want to connect to what you just said, Annemarie. With sustainability measures, it's good to save money in the long run, but what we are also breaking our head with is how could we earn more money with being sustainable? And this is more or less exactly what we are working on at the moment. BEONx is a sustainable profitability platform. We are coming from revenue management. So what we have is a revenue management system helping through AI hoteliers to earn more, to gain more profits. And today I want to speak about how we can link profitability with sustainability. So I don't want to take more time, actually, Annemarie, I would be ready to go. So as BEONx, we come from a revenue management background. And as the Director of Sales, I'm actually not an expert in sustainability. I want to speak about sustainable profitability, and I want to point out how sustainability could help us to make more revenues, to make more profits. So what I will be talking about is revenues, profits, and how sustainability can be profitable for hotels if we link it also with revenue management. There are many different challenges when we think about that, but I want to highlight 3 different challenges today. Sustainability is perceived as a cost. So hoteliers do maybe not understand why they should invest in it when they just see long-term benefits. Certification standards, they vary from country to country, and it's very hard to start comparing on a broader level. And sustainability as a lever for profitability is very hard to be understood if we cannot start benchmarking between the different organizations and what they're investing in sustainability as such. So hoteliers are under pressure. Massive inflation is eating up their profit bottom line, and they do not really understand the benefits because they think that all these measures are connected with long-term benefits, but that's not the case. Sustainability can be profitable from the very beginning in the short run. It's just about how can we understand what is the direct return of investing in this. So it's not a cost, it should be an investment. To highlight this, I want to speak about one of our clients, Castilla Termal. They are on the journey for already 10 years, and they could see a direct impact from the very beginning. Why? Because they could open up to customer segments which were simply keen to stay in sustainable properties, and they were also willing to pay more. Due to this, their reputation was increasing. Due to this, their market perception was increasing, and they could open up to even more occupancy and to even more demand. By using a technology like BEONx, they were able to measure this increase with our proprietary algorithm, the Hotel Quality Index. So we could help them to measure this impact from a quality perspective, which was already very powerful. And with our AI platform, they were then able to optimize the most profitable segments, where they found out that actually the segments who are very keen to stay in sustainable properties are very keen to pay more for their stays. So they definitely hit the point there. And in the long run, now they save so much more energy than their competitors, and bottom line, they make more profits. Second challenge, the certification standards, they vary. Hoteliers are overwhelmed. I was just recently in Germany, and I was so happy how well received this topic is. But at the end, we always come to this question: who should be my provider for the certification? Everyone has different criteria, so it becomes very difficult to compare them with each other, and ultimately to compare sustainable hotels with each other. Because once we could benchmark them, like we are benchmarking now with quality, then we could start to really measure what could be my profitable output from it. Cornell University already started with how to benchmark sustainability measures, and big chains are already on it. So we are thinking like, how can we bring this to independent hotels, to hotel groups? So when you start working with BEONx, you will actually get in touch with BioScore, and if you're a sustainable hotel, they will give you the certification, because we think that once we have enough hotels on a certain certification, we could start comparing them with each other like we do it right now with quality. And then the hoteliers can see a direct impact and can start monetizing on their investments from the very beginning. And this would be actually our contribution to how to make the hospitality industry more sustainable by simply attracting hoteliers that it is very profitable to invest in this right now, because you can have a direct return of your investments from the beginning if we are able to measure it. And also, as a closing thing, we speak at many webinars and events, and we always speak about breaking silos. And with sustainability, actually, we just created another silo where nobody sometimes knows what they are doing. So once we manage to streamline this, where the revenue manager becomes a profit manager, sees all the different costs and investments and can connect the dots, then we can truly connect profitability with sustainability and build a future where hotel industry thrives while preserving the planet and minimize the risks. So the hospitality should be about welcoming the future, not depleting it. A sustainable hotel isn't just good for environment, it's good for business. And we definitely encourage everyone to get in the discussion with us. Let's speak about it. Let's make it measurable. Let's make it comparable so that everybody can get the return they deserve from their investments. Okay, I have 10 seconds left. So thank you so much for this. And whatever questions you have, I really encourage you, get in touch with us and let's speak about that.